On my way to your house before I met you here.
I hope there is no problem.
No, there's no problem at all. I came to tell you that I like you and I would want you to be my boyfriend.
Just like that?
What was this again? You're a handsome guy. I'm a beautiful girl. Case closed. Let's start loving ourselves. What's your name?
Chema, it's obvious you don't have anything serious to say, have you?
How else do you want me to say it for you to know that I'm serious? You want me to start jumping, laughing, cry before you know I'm serious? How else do you want me to say it? I'm not serious.
Well, you must know, I can't be dating any other person because I'm in love with someone else, and you know her, Nena. Yes. You see, I've ended everything to do with any other woman apart from her. I don't want to break her heart. I like her so much. In short, I love her.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Omaka. Dalu, oh, I just needed to hear it from you. Oh, thank you very much. Bye. Thank God he said it's homeless. He doesn't like it. See, I don't like him. He's my future musician. My zoo that I'm in love with. Yes. My mother is just pushing me home. What's my own? I'll just look for a fine story and tell my mother.